I am Sumit. The Mi Mix series by Xiaomi has always been our attempt to look into the future. Not just that, it also showcases the intent of a 10-year young company to bring in bleeding-edge, inspiring technology to the industry today and fuel the pace of innovation and adoption. What I hold in my hand today is the Mi Mix Alpha, a 5G 4D surround display concept smartphone. The Mi Mix Alpha features a single piece of flexible OLED which wraps around the front and the back and delivers an astounding screen-to-body ratio of over 180%. What you would have already noticed by now is the absence of physical buttons. The Mi Mix Alpha dynamically allocates soft touch buttons for in-phone navigation and for volume rocker. The Mi Mix Alpha also features display acoustic technology. This essentially means that instead of traditional earpiece mechanism, it opts for piezoelectric speakers which sit right behind the display panel to produce sound. Not just that, a phone which is all screen, it uses ultrasonic proximity sensor along with multiple other sensors and AI algorithms to precisely understand the screen orientation and usage. The secondary display, which you can see over here, can actually be used as a dedicated space to understand your flight or cab status. Also, if you are a heavy smart home user like me, you can also flip over the phone to understand the status of all your smart home devices and to control them. The second technological breakthrough which I would like to highlight upon will be the Mi Mix Alpha's camera setup. When launched, the Mi Mix Alpha was the first device to use a large 1x1.33-inch 108 megapixel sensor as its primary camera. The 108 megapixel sensor is also coupled with a 12 megapixel telephoto lens and a 20 megapixel ultra-wide lens. You can also use the same camera module to do macro photography, which allows you to get as close as up to 1.5 centimeters from the subject and reveal those intricate details which the naked eye can easily miss. The Mi Mix series by Xiaomi has always been known for using some of the most premium materials in the industry to define its smartphones, and the Mix Alpha is no different. For the very first time, we are using TC4 aerospace-grade titanium alloy to define the chassis of this device. The Mi Mix Alpha features a vertical ceramic panel which is baked at 1500 degrees Celsius and which houses the camera module. We are also protecting the camera module with sapphire glass lens on the top to protect it against wear and tear. Xiaomi, we strive to make everyday living better, easier and smarter. In our constant search of technological breakthroughs and creative use of technology, this is just the first stop. And it's only gonna get bigger and better from here on. This is Sumit signing off, and I will see you in the next one.